Let's go toward the second method. In the second method, first initialization and then using a list slicing method and the output. So you might be wondering what this is about, right? In the statement, here we have used a list slicing over here plus operator and then again the list slicing. So what list 1 minus 1 colon does is it's gonna print and the last element of our index, which is 17, and the list 1 colon minus 1 is it's gonna print every element of our list except the last one, and the plus operator which is gonna add both of the elements of our list and it's gonna store another list too. As you can see it over here, 17 took the first place over here. A lot of students makes a mistake over here. They use the double colon rather than a single colon, which not only in fact it changes the 17 to the first position, but it also makes the list another descending order. Let me show you. As you can see it over here, the 17 just got to the first place, but also the list of every element of the other got in the descending order. It didn't get sort because we have taken the list in ascending order. Let me show you. Let's see, this is 11 and this is 2. So as you can see, 17 not only took the first place, but also the list got again added up in the descending order. So make sure you don't write double colon in here. You just have to place a single colon over here.